Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bidets that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Kohler PureWash E820 Elongated Heated Bidet Toilet Seat. After a decade of happily using TOTO washlets, I was surprised to find that in testing, my favorite bidet came from Wisconsin-based Kohler. The PureWash E820, formerly known as the C3455, looks sleek and is several $100 cheaper than TOTO's. And it has the same extra features, including backup buttons on the seat itself and a UV sanitization light. The sprayer and dryer work well and will leave you feeling fresh and clean after use. The blue UV nightlight is a game changer for using the bathroom in the wee hours too. The seat is comfortable and sturdy, and the minimalist design with almost no branding allows it to blend in anywhere. Installation is easy, and some may find the included stainless steel splitter you use to attach the bidet and toilet to your water supply more trustworthy than the plastic splitters included with the TOTO. Moving on, at number 4, we have the TOTO SW4734AT40 number 01 washlet plus electronic bidet toilet seat. The S7A is the new flagship model from TOTO, the Japanese bidet maker that invented the bidet seat attachment. The S7A takes over the mantle from the S550E and bears a strong resemblance to its predecessor, which we have also tested, offering most of the same features at a similar price. TOTO has upgraded the remote and slimmed the profile down to an impressive 4 inches of height. You could easily mistake the S7A for a regular toilet seat, at least until the lid lifts and the nightlight clicks on, when the device senses your presence in the bathroom. The controls work in the same intuitive way as other TOTO washlets, with buttons to adjust the position, intensity, and angle of the sprayer. There is also a button to make the spray oscillate. The controller now allows pre-programming for 4 people instead of 2. If there's any weak point on the S7A, and this bidet is nearly perfect, it's that the drying fan seems a little weaker than on the previous model, perhaps due to design compromises made when shaving down the height. At number 3, we have the Moen EB 2105 Series Premium Electronic Bidet Seat. This Moen electric bidet came with a thick manual, but after watching a YouTube video, the installation was pretty easy and took less than 20 minutes. The seat does not automatically lift up, but that's the only feature it's missing. It has it all: temperature controls for the seat, water, and dryer, where you can change it from cool, lukewarm, and warm. There's also a night light, along with varying water pressures and nozzle positions. There are even backup buttons on the side of the seat in case the remote dies at the worst time. The highest water pressure setting is a little choppy, and my wife and I both wish we could adjust the nozzle a tiny bit more, but we've been thoroughly happy not relying on toilet paper anymore. You can mount the remote holster onto your wall, and the remote sits in the cradle with a bit of magnetism to keep it in place. It's super intuitive to use, and there are beeps that change the tone to indicate when you're already at the highest or lowest setting. At number 2, we have the TUSHY Classic 3.0 Bidet Toilet Seat Attachment. The TUSHY is minimal in both its setup and features. It doesn't require hot water or an electrical outlet, so it's a great choice for anyone who doesn't have an outlet in the bathroom. Even with simple controls, it has a single knob for water pressure. It's a great bidet that packs a lot of water power. It comes with a few different colors and knob finishes to best fit your bathroom, though we'd be shocked if anyone found the blue or pink a perfect match to their toilet. Since it's non-electric, there's no warm air dryer. After a year of use, Wired reviewer Nina Farrell says the TUSHY is showing some cracks on the rotating flanges inside of the housing, which you'd only see if you removed it, and the foam cushion surrounding those flanges is falling out. But it still works great. And finally, At number 1, we have the TUSHY 9090R 6 inches hose extension. I replaced the old-fashioned round toilet at my 80-year-old house with a modern elongated toilet when I started testing bidets for wired. In order to fit a longer seat in the same space, I ended up with a taller tank that sits snug to the wall. If you're installing an elongated toilet in an older home, chances are you will be making the same decision. And if you are, please save yourself hours of headache by buying this short hose extension by Bidets We. You probably need to order it on Amazon because if your local hardware stores are like mine, and the Amazon reviews on this product suggest they are, they don't have this simple hose in the right size for a bidet. I even went to a dedicated plumbing supply warehouse and came up empty after crudely drawing what I needed on a sheet of paper for a perplexed Midwestern man. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.